There is no way to quantify what the definitive best iPhone 13 Pro Max is, as each person's need will be different. You will have to decide what ultimately works best for you. To do this, make sure you consider the color, material, function, price, and all other important aspects that might influence your purchase. For thin, sleek protection that preserves the look of your iPhone 13 Pro Max while keeping it safe from scratches and scuffs, you can't go wrong with the totally iPhone 13 Pro Max case, which is so thin it's almost like your phone isn't in a case at all. On the other end of the spectrum, the Ultrabox iPhone 13 Pro Max Defender Series XT case with MagSafe offers tank-like protection against drops, scuffs, scratches, and other incidents your phone might suffer while in a pocket or in a bag. Of course, so many iPhone 13 Pro Max users will be more concerned about how the phone they are carrying looks rather than how protective the case is. Cases like the iPhone 13 Pro Max leather case with MagSafe come in a variety of different hues, much more than ever before. To match the way you live your life, Nomad's leather case option is also a good choice, as it promises to become more attractive over time by developing unnatural patina. When you selecting your new iPhone 13 Pro Max case, you should prioritize keeping your phone safe from drops, falls, scraps, and scratches. Choosing the type of material your case is crafted from the tantamount to ensuring you have plenty of protection. The better the drop rating for a case, the less you have to worry about a shattered screen. If you don't care about replacing phones when they are kaput, or you just don't think you will drop it at all, you can shift your focus to more aesthetically pleasing cases that don't rely as much on hardy materials to protect your device. You don't have to worry about dropping your phone in water, as the iPhone 13 Pro Max's IP68 water resistance rating means the device should emerge from up to 6 meters of water after 30 minutes with no damage. You'll want to keep a shortcut that can eject water from your iPhone speakers close at hand though. Remember that phone cases can and do vary in price, but just because you find $69.95 phone case from a specialty retailer, that doesn't mean you should discount the $19.95 case from Amazon. There could be a large disparity in quality between the two in the direction you wouldn't expect. You will have to make the decision, ultimately taking into account which one is the most viable with each of its unique features, no matter the price, low or high. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and subscribe us for regular videos.